How to identify the base of a prism. Imagine holding a three-dimensional shape in your hand. Now, think about how you can tell which part of it is the bottom or the starting point. That's what we're here to figure out. When you look at a prism, it might seem tricky at first, but it's actually quite simple once you know what to look for. A prism has two main faces called bases. These bases are flat and are exactly the same shape and size. To find the base, start by looking for two faces that are parallel to each other. These faces are always congruent, meaning they match perfectly in shape and size. If you see two faces that are identical polygons, those are most likely the bases. Now remember that the bases can be different shapes, like triangles, squares, pentagons, or hexagons. The shape of these bases helps us name the prism. For example, if the bases are triangles, it's called a triangular prism. If they are pentagons, then it's a pentagonal prism. Another thing to notice is how the other faces connect these bases. These are called lateral faces. They are usually rectangles if the prism is a right prism, or parallelograms if it's an oblique prism. These lateral faces run between the bases and help hold the shape together. To identify the base in a practical way, look for the pair of faces that are directly above each other and are identical polygons. Count how many sides this polygon has. If it has 6 sides, then you're looking at a hexagonal prism. If it has 4 sides, it's a rectangular or square prism. Once you find the two congruent, parallel faces, you've identified the bases. This helps you understand the shape better and makes it easier to calculate volume or surface area later on. Remember, the key is to focus on those two faces that are exactly the same and parallel to each other. That's how you spot the bases of a prism every time.